Hi everyone, this is Ruling the Countryside, Chapter 3 of History. In this video, I'll explain some topics, some important topics from this chapter so that you can understand the chapter in better way. So the first topic is the company becomes the Diwan. On August 12, 1765, Mughal Emperor appointed East India Company as the Diwan of Bengal. Diwan means the Chief Financial Administrator. So now the East India Company get the power to collect revenue from Bengal. And being a trading company, they started yielding a lot of money from the revenue, and they started making it sure that the raw materials are sold to them only. Revenue for the company. So they already wanted a regular income for their company, and now they got the power to collect revenue. And earlier they used to take raw material from India, and instead of that they used to import gold and silver from their country, and they used to pay the value of that with gold and silver. Now, since they started taking Diwani from Bengal, they stopped importing gold and silver for India, and they now paid through that Diwani only. Next is the need to improve agriculture. Now, India being a country where most of the people are engaged into agriculture and most of the people stay in villages, the British East India Company, they felt that agriculture should be improved. So they introduced few systems. You already have read about this: the permanent settlement system, the Raitwari system, Mehelwari system. So those all were introduced so that they can get maximum amount of revenue. So first we'll start with permanent settlement system. In 1793, the permanent settlement system was introduced. Rajas and talukdars, they were identified as zamindars, and they were given the permission to collect taxes, to collect revenue from the peasants. The revenue was fixed permanently, and the zamindars used to collect the revenue. I mean, they were given the duty to collect the revenue from those fields, and that had to be given to the British regularly. So that is it. So the company, that was done so that a regular income of revenue should come to the East India Company. Now, this permanent settlement system had some problems also. When the zamindars were given the duty to collect the revenue, they did not do anything for the improvement of agriculture. They only collected revenue. Moreover, for the British, the revenue was very high, so always it was not possible for the cultivators also to pay the revenue. Moreover, the British government, they fixed the revenue, so there was no chance that they can get more revenue, whether there is a overproduction of crop. Then too, they did not get any extra revenue from that. So those were the problems of permanent settlement system. Moreover, the zamindars, while collecting the revenue, sometimes they became very oppressive to the farmers to collect their revenues. The second system was the Mehelwari system, and that was prevalent in northwestern provinces of Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Holt Mackenzie introduced this system. Mahel means villages. So Holt Mackenzie or the British officials, they felt that in northern India, villages were very important institutions, because in villages only crop production is done. So what they decided to send the officials to those villages, and they will measure the land, and they will decide a fixed amount upon the land, amount of revenue upon the land. So the village headmen were given the duty to collect the revenue. Third was Munro system, that was known as Raithwari system also. This system was introduced in South India. Reed and Munro, they introduced this system. In South India again, the land was considered very important. There also the land was measured and surveyed, and a revenue was fixed for the land. The zamindars used to collect the revenue for the British. Now there were problem in this system also, because sometimes the revenue was so high that the peasants could not pay it, and sometimes the zamindars, they used to be very oppressive to collect the revenue. So in this video, this much. In my next video, I'll explain some more topics. Thank you.